Tired of pesky insects ruining your peace at home? It's a nuisance we all know too well. But what if we told you that your kitchen pantry holds the secrets to keep these tiny invaders at bay? That's right. From mosquitoes to ants and flies, the answer lies in natural home remedies. These solutions are not only safe and easy to prepare, but also offer immediate relief. So, are you ready to reclaim your space? Let's dive into some secret home remedies that work wonders against these tiny invaders. First on our list are mosquitoes, those buzzing nuisances that leave an itch you just can't scratch. But fear not, we have a few home remedies that can help keep these pesky insects at bay. Let's start with apple cider vinegar. This common household ingredient is not a favorite amongst mosquitoes. The strong aroma repels them. To create your own mosquito repellent, simply mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray it around your home, focusing on entry points like doorways and windows. A little spritz on your skin can also keep mosquitoes from making you their next meal. Next is peppermint oil. The refreshing scent of peppermint is not only loved by us humans, but also despised by mosquitoes. Add a few drops of this essential oil to a spray bottle of water, and voila, you have your homemade mosquito repellent. You can even massage a few drops directly onto your wrists and ankles for added protection. Lastly, we have garlic, a natural insecticide. Mosquitoes can't stand the smell of garlic. Crush a few cloves and scatter them around your home, or boil some cloves in water and let the garlic-infused steam do the work. With these remedies, you can say goodbye to mosquito bites and hello to peaceful nights. Next up are ants, those tiny soldiers who invade your kitchens and picnics. One secret weapon against ants is cinnamon. Ants are not fans of this aromatic spice. Simply sprinkle cinnamon around their trails or areas where you see them gathering. For a stronger effect, you can mix a few drops of cinnamon oil with water and spray it directly on the ants. Another fantastic remedy is citrus peels. Ants tend to dislike the scent. Scatter orange, lemon or grapefruit peels around ant trails or their favorite spots. Alternatively, a few drops of citrus essential oil mixed with water can be sprayed on the ants for a quick solution. Finally, we have diatomaceous earth, a natural powder lethal to ants. Sprinkle this around ant trails or where you notice ants clustering. It's a brilliant, non-toxic way to deal with these persistent intruders. With these simple solutions, you can keep ants at bay. Lastly, we tackle flies, those buzzing irritants that never seem to leave your home. Let's start with basil, a natural fly repellent. To use this remedy, place basil plants around your home or on your patio. Or for a more concentrated solution, add a few drops of basil oil to a spray bottle of water and spray it around your home or on your skin. Next up, we have lavender. Similar to basil, you can use lavender plants as a natural deterrent. Alternatively, you can add a few drops of lavender oil to a spray bottle of water and spray it around your home or on your skin. Finally, we have vinegar. Flies despise the smell of vinegar. You can mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle and spritz it around your home, especially near doorways and windows. Alternatively, place bowls of vinegar around your home to attract and trap flies. With these remedies, your home will be a no-fly zone. Insects can be a nuisance, but they don't have to ruin your peace at home. With the use of apple cider vinegar, peppermint oil or garlic, you can fend off mosquitoes. Cinnamon, citrus peels or diatomaceous earth can help combat ants. And flies detest basil, lavender or vinegar. These natural remedies are not only safe, but also effective. Remember, the best remedy is prevention. Keep your home clean and use these remedies to keep those pests away. Thanks for watching.